guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a comparison on this beautiful, lovely Coach Cashin Tote 22. And let me start with giving you a little bit of an overview on these pieces right here. So I got this last year, I believe late of last year, and then this one is in color series. So, and also this one I got this few weeks ago. This was just released, and this one they call this Buy Now Cash and Carry Tote 22, a limited edition piece. They said that they have only released probably 100 of each of these in each colors, because this one came in with 4 different colors, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And there's only 100 pieces of these in each of these colors. So I got the 1941 saddle, which is in brown right there. So this one, I have used this one a lot. This is actually one of my most favorite purses from Coach in my collection, obviously. As you guys can see right here, the top handle. This is my most favorite part of the purse. This one has a very sturdy and stiff handle. So you guys can see right there. Oh my gosh, I have been using this quite a lot, and it doesn't seem to look like there is showing some wear and tear in it. So you guys can see. And oh my gosh, this part right here is actually my favorite. I don't know. I mean, the style of this shows, I don't know, it just shows a lot of character in the purse. And on top of that, this one, look at the large stitching, guys. Oh my goodness. The detail for this beautiful cash and carry tote is amazing. On the side, wow, the stitching is absolutely beautiful. And this one is a micro stitching right in this corner, and this one is the large one. It is absolutely beautiful, and that's what sold me on this beautiful piece. This one has 4 feet right there. Obviously it has this one is in pewter hardware. It says right there, oh, the other way around, this one is made up of original gloved and leather, very soft, very smooth and supple. And also right here, when you look at the purse right here, it just opens right away. And this one has 1, 2, 3 compartments. We have an open compartment right here in this area, and it has a flat pocket on the side that has a zipper, so you guys can see right there. This one right here at the middle actually is also my favorite feature in the bag as well, because if you wanted to carry your phone, you wanted to carry some of your belongings that are important, like your wallet and all kinds of stuff, anything that you wanted to secure, this is actually a perfect compartment for that, because this one has this one has 2 zipper right here that meets at the middle, okay, right there, and this one has those leather pull tabs. So this is absolutely gorgeous. And this is the 3rd compartment. It has a card slot right here, like a credit card slot. And this one is lined. This compartment here on the left and on the right, it is lined with leather, smooth leather. And right here in the middle, this is the part where it was lined with a jacquard material. Okay, but aside from that, apart from that, it's definitely worth your money. Definitely worth your money. And this one has this one is the strap. So this strap is removable and adjustable as well. And this one is made up of gloved and leather. I haven't used the strap because I am more of a top handle person, and yeah, I've actually never used this. I just actually looked for this earlier because I took it off from the purse, and yeah, so you guys can see it still has those protective packaging right there. The tape because I've actually never used it. Okay, so this is the Cashin Carry Tote in cerise color. So once again, I got this last year. So moving on to the next tote, this is the Buy Now. So let me just take this one here and put this on the other side so we could take a closer look on this lovely piece. So this is the Buy Now Cash and Carry Tote 22. And I must say, on my unboxing, I have already I've already told you about my first impression on this piece, that I was a little bit disappointed on the handle. Look at the comparison. Look at the handle, guys. Look at the comparison on this Cash and Carry and the Buy Now. Look at that. This one is sturdy and this one is flimsy. You know, so that was just, I was just so disappointed in how, I don't even know how the artisan, whoever is behind this, thought about this little teeny tiny top handle, which I'm not really a fan of. And also, you can't deny that the craftsmanship on this Buy Now Cash and Carry is absolutely amazing. The detail is beautiful. The contrasting stitching is absolutely amazing. This one has feet as well. This one has a brass hardware. So you guys can see, you can actually feel that the material that they use, the leather, is really soft and supple. It just feels so luxurious, actually. It feels and it looks luxurious. That's my take on this purse. So, okay, so for the size comparison, as you guys could see right there, I'm going to put them aside, side by side. So the height for the Buy Now for this one is actually, it's 7 inches height for this Buy Now. Whereas the Cash and Carry, this one is 7 3/4. As you guys can see right there, I put them all together, that you could tell that this one is actually shorter than this. And aside from that, since they called this one 22, that's because the length is actually 22 centimeter, but it's just like an inches. This one is 8.5 inches and this is 8 1/4. So yeah, I don't really know. There's just a little bit, like this one is almost like in between 21.5 centimeters, something like that. It's almost like 22 centimeter. So but it is the Tote 22. So yeah, so there is always been a little bit of like a discrepancy on the measurements. So I don't even know how they measure it, but it's according to my measurements. So this one is 8.5 on its length. The height is 7 inches and the width is 4 3/4. And then this one right here on the side, the length is 8 1/4. The height is 7 3/4, and the width is 5 inches, the width for this. So this one is a little bit a tad bigger than compared to the other one. So this one came in with a strap, which I love. I mean, I love this thick strap though. And this one is made up of some sort of like a cotton and a mixture of like a jacquard material. It's a little bit stiff. It's still a little bit stiff. I haven't used it. I've tried it. It looks great and it feels great. Look at the detail for the strap. I absolutely love this saddle color, like right here, and a combination of this mustard color. And this one is more likely a lighter brown. And then there's a lot of things going on right here, but the colors, all the colors are neutral. This one, the buckle right here, this one has a brass hardware. This one has weight though. Yeah, this one actually is made up of really a good quality materials, I must say. So let's take a look at the purse. This one has a magnetic closure right here, just like that. Very light. It's always like has no weight in it. Very, very light. Whereas this one already has a weight, but as you guys can see this one right here is constructed very, very nicely. Absolutely amazing. I just love every detail of it. This one is not too bad though, but the downside is, like I mentioned, is this one. So the reason I pointed the one out, that's because probably they might release more of these soon. I'm not sure, and I just hope that they would correct this. I don't know if I'm the only one that has a problem with it, but for me it is a no-no. I mean, I paid this one is priced as $495 US plus tax, and for a Coach, for the quality, it's definitely worth it. But when it comes to the inside right here, this is just like that. There is no like compartment on the inside where compared to this one right here. This one has 3 compartments, so you guys could see, and then this one is just like wide open like that, aside from this additional closure right here, which is magnetic. But I prefer this one over this. It's just like wide open, even though this one has a side pocket, a flat side pocket, but still I just didn't find that, you know, security concerns. I'm not even sure if all my stuff will be secured, but if yes, of course, if you got your wallet and stuff, you would put it right here on the side corner. But aside from that, looking at it together, both are cute, both are actually nice. And I don't know if I can recommend this to anybody. I don't know, because I was contemplating that I will be returning this soon, because I just can't get over of how terrible this one was. I mean, compared to that, no, it's just like a no-brainer actually. Just looking at it together, this one is by far sturdier compared to this. But yeah, this is like a different style though. This one has this embossed Coach leatherware right here, which is a new thing with this particular pieces. But yeah, so those are just my my comparison between these two together. I just hope that, you know, this review might be helpful, but hopefully that they would come up sooner or later with this piece. I love this. I got several colors. I got 3. I got the cerise, I got the Everglade, and also in black. And I think there's also in chalk, but I'm not really a fan of that color, and you already know why. I'm very sensitive with white, and I wish they could have come up with a lot of different colors, like yellow, like a lot more like blue, lighter blue, or even purple. So yeah, I was just hoping that they were gonna come up with something like this, crafted like this one. I prefer this over this one. Look at that, the detail of that is actually, it's pretty amazing. But this one is also nice too. I'm not going to deny that, but I would I think this one is by far, it's so much better. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.